Here's a way to clean that grimy oven glass door that actually works. I've tried everything: vinegar, baking soda, doesn't work, but this works. It's a three-step process, but real easy. First, get some easy off. I use a fume-free here. What you want to do is just ventilate the place anyway, or do it when you're going to leave the house for a few hours while it soaks. Just always best to be away from anything, even if it's fume-free. But start with some easy off. Link down below for that, just in case you need to know where to buy it. And then what I go ahead and do is I spray the whole door liberally. I mean, I get it everywhere, right? And what you want to do is, normally people let it sit for like 30 minutes, let it sit for 3 hours at least, right? So once it's sat there for 3 hours, it's going to loosen everything up. And once that's happened, here's what it looks like everywhere. It's soaked in everything. Now, you want to wear some gloves, or what I did is just got a plastic bag and put it around my hand. I'm going to use this white rag so you can see how gunky and grimy this is and how it comes off. Without any effort whatsoever, look at that. I'm just wiping it, and it's cleaning off the door here. So this is step one here. So I'm just wiping off all the gunk. Let's take a look at our rag here. Pretty disgusting, right? So once I've got everything wiped off, it should pretty much look like this. The next step is just get yourself like a little razor knife, like a little scraper with a razor, and just scrape off any of the hard spots. Real easy to do. Shouldn't take more than about a minute or two. Once you've got that done, you can see the door is getting a lot more shiny and clean. And once this is all done, we're going to go ahead and do the next step after it's all been scraped. By the way, take a look at this razor. Very disgusting, right? So once that's all done, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is spray it with some white vinegar. Once you've got that done, just get a paper towel and just give it its nice little finishing shine at the end. Once that's all done, you've got the door completed. The glass is nice and clean, everything looks beautiful, and it took no effort whatsoever. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Subscribe down below, and I will see you again. Bye-bye.